Hi everyone, and welcome to the Metzeler North American headquarters here in Rome, Georgia. I'm Christy Lee, and joining me is product manager Jeff Johnston, and we're here today to talk about a new introduction to the Metzeler brand family, the Marathon Ultra ME 888, the 888 tire. Now, I know as a rider myself, and many of you out there over the years have come to trust the Metzeler brand and their legacy for handling and performance, but let's talk today about this new 888 tire.
The legacy of Metzeler goes back many, many years. We started in the cruiser touring market back in the 80s. We came out with the ME 88. In the late 90s, we came out with the 880, and now in 2014, we've introduced the 888. So let's talk about this one.
So what's so different about this new tire?
We started basically with a new chalkboard, you could say, from the beginning. The carcass materials are changed. The shape of the tire has changed. The tread pattern has changed. The most important focus in the market right now is for riders is to give value. And value to the cruiser or touring rider is mileage.
Okay, so there's more added value with this new tire, but let's talk about that handling and performance that we come to expect with the Metzeler brand.
They've actually changed the shape of the tire to get a larger contact patch, about 15% larger, to improve the dampening and also the handling and also the way the tire accepts the load as it's rolling down the road. And what's that going to give to the rider is longer mileage and the same handling that the 880 brought to them a couple of years ago.
What kind of mileage are you going to get out of this tire?
This tire conservatively is going to get 5 to 20% better than our leading competitor.
Well, let's talk about the origination of the tire, which is, of course, the compound and the recipe for the compound. The addition of silica to this new ME 888 888 tire has made a big improvement with the handling and performance.
What silica saline does is it lessens rolling resistance, but when the tire's wet, it actually improves chemical wet grip while you're riding. The tread grooves, as you can see here, channel waterway to keep the tire from hydroplaning, but the actual compound is what propels the bike forward in the rain.
Now, what about the tread pattern? I can see that it looks different from the ME 880.
The big differences in the tread pattern is we've bridged the tread groove gaps with a little extra reinforcement here. So the reinforcement keeps the tire from flexing too much. When the tire flexes less, it gets longer mileage.
Okay, so what about some of the fitment options with this new 888?
The 888 is basically focused on the cruiser and touring market, so that of course means Harley-Davidson. There's a lot of Harley-Davidson riders out there that love our product, and now they can get it in the ME 888. We offer wide variety of sizes, 20 in black wall and 12 in wide white wall.
Some people may or may not know that a white wall tire is not just a sticker or a veneer on the side of the tire. It actually is part of the compound of the tire. So a lot of research and development goes into the creation of a white wall tire.
And white walls are not really easy to build. The engineering staff has to totally revamp the way they build the tire because you're going to add in about 8 millimeters of wide white wall and about a 25 millimeter wide strip. So that's going to change the way the tire flexes compared to the black wall. So when the engineering guys start, they have to go all the way to the end, even to ride the motorcycle with the wide white walls to make sure the same handling attributes are here with a black wall or a white.
So what about the M880? Is it still available?
Yep, the ME880 is still in the range, and we're going to keep it there for quite a long time. We still make 58 sizes, believe it or not, and it covers a lot of the OE fitments like the Honda, like the Yamaha, and the Triumphs.
You can mix and match?
Yep, of course you can mix and match. The idea is we want to make sure that everybody has a fitment available, so as we develop the new sizes, like I said, we have 32 of these now. We'll introduce more in the future years. Then you can still ride with your 880 on the front or your 888 on the rear or mixing the sets.
Okay, Jeff, well, you're the expert. If I wanted to put new tires on my bike, why would I choose this 888?
You're going to look for this tire because of the handling attributes. You're going to look for it because of the ease. It's almost like adding power steering to the motorcycle. You're going to love it because in the rain it channels water very effectively. So it really makes the bike handle much nicer, whether it's on dry roads, wet roads, or even on bridge grading. And what that means for the customer is he's going to have the same riding that he had with the 880, but again with 20 to 30% better mileage.
All right. Well, if you want more information on the Marathon Ultra ME 888, the 888, or any of the Metzeler brand products, check out Metzeler.com. Jeff, thanks so much for the information. And guys, thanks for watching.